And what are we doing differently this time around besides the 8 films?
Well, nag-sponsor tayo ng premiere nights. Lahat ng movies, ini-sponsor natin yung premiere nights. So,
starting December 15.
Yes, December
Monday.
15. May mga different schedules, different dates, different cinemas. Basta ini-sponsor natin ang premiere night ng bawat isang movie. So, paid for by MMFF.
At saka kahit yung mga press con, talagang ini-stream ninyo?
Yes, lahat. Yung isineshare namin yung mga press cons ng mga bawat pelikula. Talaga sinusuporta namin yung promotions ng mga pelikula. Kasama nitong Celebrity Golf.
Chairman, wala lang yung Manila International Film Fest.
We're arranging something sa Dubai. Upon instructions ng ating First Lady. In fact, we met already with the UAE Ambassador dito sa Manila. We met last week to finalize everything. So, gumugulong naman yung preparation. So, we'll announce the details pag naayos na. And in fact, meron kaming producers meeting tomorrow regarding that.
Manila International pa rin po ba? Or iba na po ang branding?
Tingnan natin. We'll take directions from...
Or just in case...